Only those involved in the Robredo plane crash search, rescue, and retrieval operations were given due recognition in the Bakas Parangal. The unsung heroes of the recent widespread floods were also honored. I am Makalma with this report.
More than 300 persons received due recognition today through an exemplary award organized by the Department of National Defense for individuals who risk their own lives to save peoples in times of calamities and accidents. Particularly the recent southwest monsoon and the search and rescue operations for Secretary Jessie Robredo with 2 pilots when their plane crashed off Masbate last month. The awarding ceremony is called Bakas Parangal or Bayaning Likas, which was headed by President Benigno Aquino and Defense Secretary Voltaire Gasmin.
Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, tayo ay nagtipon-tipon upang bigyan ng parangal ang mga natatanging personalidad at organisasyon na nagpamalas ng kanilang bukod-tanging katapangan, kabayanihan at kagitingan sa panahon ng kalamidad.
Technical Sergeant Elmer Abo was one of the many volunteers during the southwest monsoon, in which he was able to save the lives mostly children living in Araneta Avenue, Quezon City, after their boat capsized. The bravery he has done to save lives made her 4-year-old daughter, Ivy Marie, so proud of his act.
Siguro nakakaalis pa lang ng halos 15 meters yung bangka, tumaob siya. Hindi ko nakita yung pagtaob, basta ang narinig ko, nagsigawan yung mga tao na yung mga bata malulunod. Tumalon agad ako doon sa rubber boat. Kumbaga, ang agos kasi galing doon sa tumaob na bangka papunta sa amin malakas. Kumapit ako sa rubber boat, parang hinarang ko na lang. Eh naglutangan man sa may harapan ko na yung mga bata. Kaya parang ganun po ang nangyari.
Okay, natakot?
Nag-training naman po ako sa ganun, kaya medyo nakakaya na po yun.
Congratulations, Daddy.
Danny Broomback was a technical diver who lost consciousness after spending hours under the sea looking for the bodies of Secretary Robredo and 2 other pilots. Broomback said he did not mind what happened to him and he is willing to do it all over again. He also thanked the government for the award, although for him, it was not necessary.
Of course. Of course.
Why?
That's just how we're doing it. I mean, I would not be the only one, but others also. So
you're going to
if they need my help again, of course, we're helping again. No big deal.
According to some awardees, even if there is no award like this, they are still willing to help regardless of the situation, as long as they can save lives. For the People's Television, I am Makalma.